I explained to you in the last video, guys, the importance of building during a building phase. The building phase is nearly over. Once we've encroached up to the upper trend line of the total 3 and we've broke to the upside, and once Bitcoin dominance breaks down, alt season starts, you don't get those entries again. So we've been tracking our portfolio, and this is what's happened since last week in the crypto market. Those entries are too late, but are all entries too late? Is the portfolio dead? Is building phase over? I'm going to show you we've got a few last entries. Let's dive in. Anyone that is new to this channel, you're not going to know what this is. This is the crypto bullseye portfolio. This is what I'm doing, full and transparent in front of you guys. I'm taking these positions and I'm doing it with small amounts of crypto, $50, $50, $50. And I want to show you what small amounts of crypto can do with a well-managed portfolio. So it's down $30.89. People haven't been interested in this, but there's a method in my madness, guys. I can only build during a loss. I can only average down. That means that I'm bringing my positions down during a building phase. Once it's in profit, I cannot touch it anymore. I can't scale up. I can only scale down. That means the portfolio is going to be in loss during the building phase until that's complete. Once building phase is complete, everything's going to be in green. This is the portfolio tracker, P&L on the right-hand side. Click it, everything in green, biggest losers, everything in red. Everything in red is what we're worried about at the moment. Everything in red is what's going to give us the biggest advantages. Those have run. By adding $50 to any of these in green, you're averaging your position up. We're trying to get better entries, not worse entries. So this is where the better entries lie, the biggest losers of the day, the ones that haven't run. The ones that I'm interested today, guys, Scallop and the Graph. So I'm going to show you why I'm interested in Scallop in the Graph. Let's jump over to the charts. Now we've done the pre-market analysis. Now we know exactly how we can bring our average down. We need to look at the charts. So the ones we were talking about was GRT, the Graph, and then Scallop. Scallop and the Graph. So how can we bring our average down? Nice and easy. Firstly, I want to talk about this trend. We say 3 touches of a trend confirms a trend. You've got 1 touch here. You've got 2 touches here. You've got 3 touches here. What happened? You've popped your head up, showing that the bulls have regained momentum. This goes back 11th of March 2024. The bulls haven't managed to pop their head up until 11th of March 2024 until now. Now we're interested. So the portfolio is saying that it's in a loss. It hasn't run yet like the others have run. So that brings an opportunity. We're sitting at 15 cents exactly. My previous entry was up here at 20 cents. So this is how you can do it, guys. Bring your average down. So you've got 20 cents, then you've got 15 cents. In the middle of that, you've got 17.5 cents. So by entering at 15, it brings my average down to 17.5, and I've bettered my entry for the portfolio. That hasn't run yet. The Graph hasn't run yet. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bam. You got the break. Bulls have got momentum. You've also got a bullish divergence. You put in a higher low on the RSI and you put a lower low and price action. Price action needs to catch up. This one hasn't run yet. And again, exactly the same. My entry was 20 cents, currently sitting at 15 cents, bring the average down 17.5 cents. That's how I've bettered the entry on the portfolio, guys. If you want to keep track of me and the portfolio, how the portfolio is performing and other trades, get yourself on the free Discord group. Link in the description below. We had 50% on XRP Healthcare. We had 50% on ICP. I've had lots of trades lately, so get yourself on there, guys. Let me know in the comments what you want me to cover in tomorrow's video. I'll be back with you tomorrow, and I'll see you in the next one.